Okay, hi everyone. We can start the session today. It's going to be a feedback of the essays that you submitted again. Uh, so we'll go one by one. We'll start with D2 section. Six of you need grading. Uh, so please tell me if anyone is there from D2 section and you need grading, please tell me. I will grade it right now and I'll give you a feedback of the essay. Is anyone from D2 section requires grading?
249, sir.
What is your name? Sadhana, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Please switch off any TV that is running behind. Please mute it. Okay. Sadhana, how many words is this essay? It's in PDF. I cannot see the number of words. Okay, that's 22 words extra, so you need to bring it down to 300. Okay.
Okay,
Is this fully written by you?
yes, sir.
Few photos taken from, few points taken from Google or anything?
No, sir.
Nice, very good. Perfect essay. This is what is expected. I can give full marks to this.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Next, anyone else from D2 section? No, I cannot see in Moodle. It doesn't show your roll number. Okay. Okay. Right.
Sir, Rishiprita also. I know. I have sir.
Okay. Okay. I'll go one by one. Okay. This is in some ODT format. I don't know what it is, but how many words is this essay? Okay. Uh, okay. Nowadays is a single word. Okay. Don't give gap in between. This first has a capitalization mistake. This is grammatically wrong. I don't know what you mean over here. Which is app where we can find my or our friends. What is all this? No, what do you mean to say over here? You mean to say that Facebook is an app where we can find our friends, is it? Okay, so it's supposed to be WHERE first of all. And my or our friends. No, remove this and just put find our friends. This need not be there. WhatsApp needs to be capitalized. If we get a message, why are you using past tense over here? It's WHERE or WERE? What do you mean to say? I don't understand. There's a lot of grammatical errors. You need to work on your grammar, ma. I think this is fully written by you. That's okay. You've put in some effort, but many grammatical errors. So be careful. Learn some grammar. Go back to basics and start learning a lot of grammar. Really important. Okay. You need to learn tenses, subject verb agreement, active passive voice. You can start with these and improve on your language. Okay. Otherwise, the essay is pretty good. Content wise, it is good. But a lot of grammatical mistakes, so I cannot rate more than 7 out of 10. Okay. Next.
48, sir.
I can't see your roll number in Moodle, ma.
Rushika, sir.
One. Okay, okay, one by one.
Rushika, sir.
Okay. I have seen all these sentences earlier in essays. Uh, Looks like it's copied,
No, sir.
totally written by you. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now, subject verb agreement. People is plural, so you need to use do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Here you're talking about again subject verb agreement. Social media is plural, but here you have mentioned it. It needs to be more about them. Okay. Because you're talking about media, which is plural. Okay. Otherwise, what is the word count?
Sir, can't hear you, sir.
What is the word count?
Hello.
Word count, ma.
Word count.
Yeah.
310, I think so, sir. 310.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's not a problem. Essay is pretty fine. Few mistakes here and there. Just take care of that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Anyone else from D2? Guru Teja. Huh? Okay. No, no, it's not present, ma. I'm just asking who needs grading. This meeting is being recorded. Oh my god. Okay, this looks purely copied. Guru Teja. What is all this? What is all this? Ferguson, Missouri, ALS, Ice Bucket Challenge, ISIS, 82% of internet population, 1 in 5 minutes. Do you know all this information? It is not at all believable that you have written this essay. It doesn't look like few. It looks like, see, nobody can write on their own all this stuff. This is all out of research. Okay. Do you expect me to believe you know about all this? Then you write the whole thing on your own and submit it. We'll see in the next class. Okay. Right. Yes. Next. Anyone else from D2 requires grading? Rahul, are you there? Uh, Prabhu Kumar, Monica, are you there? Monica, not there. Okay. So we'll go to D1 section. Guru Teja, please mute. Okay, what about D1 section? Does anyone need grading? Bhavani Prasad, are you there? Nisha Banu. What about Manoj Kumar? Pavitra? Venkata Rohit? Venkatesh? Where are all of you? Anyone from D1 section requires grading? Anyone requires grading? No? Okay, now see again statistics. I hope everybody is hearing what I'm saying. Now you would have seen Gandhi sir's message regarding your uploading of content, whatever is requested from you. D1 section only 18 have submitted out of 32. Why is this? Can anyone answer? Are you having any difficulties in uploading? Anyone from D1 section? Are you having any difficulties in uploading so we can sort it out? Or are there any other problems? Anyone from D1 section, can you answer? Okay. So I want everybody to submit today. Okay. What about D2 section? Um, in D2 section also only 18 have submitted out of 28. Can anyone answer from D2 section? If you have any issues, any problems in uploading? Anyone from D2 section? Nobody can answer, huh? Are you guys listening to me, or you've just put this on mute and you're watching TV or anything like that? Hello, anybody from D2 section? Shall I mark all D2 as absent? Yeah, so do you have any issues in uploading is my question.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, you can
I
mute.
have done my uploads
Okay, then fine, then fine. I'm talking about people who haven't uploaded on.
Okay, sir.
So see, the thing is, the whole purpose of this exercise of making you write this essay is that it's not only for Capgemini. Many other companies have an essay writing section. Okay. Now, in the first session, we gave you an idea on the expectation of uh, uh, the HR guy who is going to correct your essays, right? Now, in the following sections, we are giving you individual feedback on your essays. So, the whole purpose of this exercise is to give you individualized feedback. That is, when you write on your own, and if I find any mistakes, I can help you in improving your essay. That's the whole purpose of this exercise. Okay. Now, overall, I have found that majority of the students have copied stuff from the internet. Now, this kind of an attitude itself is wrong, because see, you guys have come from third year, now you are stepping into the final year. And in the next semester, whether it is going to be live interviews, or many companies have started asking for online interviews, whatever it is, it will be arranged by the placement department. Now, in order to get through each of these rounds in the placement interviews. First round obviously is going to be an aptitude test, which consists of a verbal section, an aptitude section which has logical reasoning as well as quantitative aptitude, and then finally you have an HR interview. So normally these are the three rounds. Now the whole purpose of giving you training is to prepare you for these three rounds so that you do not face any difficulty in getting through these rounds. Do you guys understand? Anybody can say yes or no? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So please take these sessions and use them in a productive manner is what I would request all of you. Okay. We are trying to give you the maximum inputs so that, see, seventh semester, right from the second month of seventh semester itself, the interviews will start continuously. Okay. And they are going to have mostly virtual classes for all of you from July 1st. I hope you are aware of that. Parallelly, in August itself, they will start off with the interviews. So the earlier you're able to secure a job position in any company, you will feel happy and you will make your parents proud also, right? So please uh, become serious and attend all these sessions and do your work, whatever is allotted, in a dedicated manner. This is what I would request all of you. Okay, take it in a positive sense and gather all the inputs provided by us, and please do not copy anything from the internet. I want you guys to do it yourself. Okay, so that's all I have to say for today. Whoever hasn't submitted, once again I'm telling you, please submit today so that in the next session at least we can finish off with all the essays. After that there won't be any essay sessions, we'll probably go into verbal as far as my session is concerned. Okay, in the verbal part of the aptitude test, we will show you what kind of questions come, what is the pattern of the paper, all those things would be shown. But we really stressed on this essay because it involves a lot of grammar, and all verbal part is related to grammar majority, in majority, right? Okay, so I'll just take your attendance and we'll wind up for today, right? Uh, so when your turn comes, just tell me your name. I mean, tell me that you're present, and then you can mute. Nidesh, Nisha Banu, Nitish Kumar J, Nitish Kumar M, Niveda, Bhavani Prasad, Mohana Krishna, Prakash, Om Prakash, Shrikant, Venkat Naveen, Padma Shri, Dilip Kumar, Nitin Kumar, Vijay Kumar. Nitin Kumar is there, huh? Okay. Vijay Kumar. If you have given your attendance, please mute. Vijay Kumar is not there. Manoj Kumar, Sri Lata, Venkat Pichaya, Pavitra, Balaji Sai, Bhavya, Venkat, Venkat Rohit, Sai, Sai Monica, Giripriya, Kavita,
Yes, sir.
Venkatesh, Naveen, Sai Krishna, Venkat Sai Krishna, Pooja A 219, 220,
Present, sir.
221, 222, Pujita, Monica, Raveen V, Ravina,
Present, sir.
Ritish, Rajesh, okay. Pushpanjali, Manikanteshwar Reddy, Guru Teja, Rahul, okay. Rajesh Kumar, Rajesh, are you there? Ramya, Ranjit, Uday Kiran, again Ranjit 243, Renuka Devi, huh? 242. It will come, wait. Okay, okay, wait. Renuka Devi, Reshma, Ritika,
Present, sir.
Rohit, who is that? Who is that? Rohit, are you there? Rushi Preeta,
Present, sir.
Sadhana,
Present, sir.
Sangeeta Priya B,
Present, sir.
Sangeeta Priya S, not there. Sanjay, Karthik Reddy,
Present, sir.
okay. Reddy Lokesh,
Sir.
Kotas man. Naidu, Sanjay E, Sandhya, Sandhya not there?
256, sir.
Okay. Anyone I missed? 203. Who is that? Okay. Dilip Kumar. Hmm. Anyone else? Rajesh. Huh? Okay. Okay. Then, is that all? 254. Okay. 254 is marked. Huh? Pushpanjali, huh? Where is she? Someone spoke to me now. Suddenly went mute. Who's that? Who spoke right now? Okay, fine. That's all for today. Thanks a lot and have a good day. Once again, you need to upload the essays. Please take it seriously and do the work that's given to you. All right? That's all. Thanks. Bye bye.